Hello, welcome to the slow English practice. Today I will talk about daily routine vocabulary and you will practice English with me. At the end of this video, you will be able to describe your routine in a natural and easy way. Let's begin. Before starting, remember to listen carefully and repeat out loud each phrase and each word. For this, I will speak slowly so you start getting used to getting familiar to English words and sounds. I like to go for a walk. I usually go for a walk in the evenings. Some people like going for a walk after dinner. Others prefer going for a walk before work. Many people go for a walk to relax. Some people like to listen to music when they go for a walk, and other people prefer the silence. They prefer to hear the wind, hear the birds singing, or hear any other kind of noise that comes from the environment. What about you? Do you like going for a walk? When do you prefer to go for a walk? Some people usually leave home every day in the morning. In my case, I don't have to leave home in the morning because I work from home. I teach my English classes every day from my computer. However, there are a lot of people who have to go to work. They have to go to the office or to their workplace. Some people leave home early to avoid traffic. When I have to run errands or when I will go to the shopping mall or to any other place, I always check that I have my keys before I leave home. But something very important for me is to leave home on time because I don't like to arrive late. Some people go to work by car. Other people go to work by bus, by metro, by tramway. There are other people who usually go to work by motorcycle, and there are others who go to work on foot. In some countries, it is very common to go to work by bike. My brother goes to work on his motorcycle, and my sister goes to college every weekend by bus. Many people listen to music when they go to work. Others like to listen to podcasts. Now I have a question for you. How do you go to work? Do you go to work by bus, by motorcycle, by bike, on foot? I listen to music almost every day. I listen to music when I clean the house. I sometimes listen to music when I go for a walk. Some people listen to music while they are studying, and others listen to music while driving. Many people listen to music when they are happy, and others listen to music when they're sad. Some songs remind people of special moments in their lives. Music can change our mood very quickly. Like many people, I spend time on my phone every day. I spend time on my phone answering messages. I spend time on my phone watching videos and reading news. Some people spend a few minutes on their phones, and other people spend several hours. Some people check their phones immediately after waking up. Technology can be very useful, but it can also be very distracting. Some people like to have plants in their houses. Some plants need water every day, and others only need water a few times a week. Plants can make a space feel more alive. Some people have one or two, and others have dozens of plants. When people go on vacation, they usually ask a friend to take care and water their plants. Taking care of plants teaches patience and responsibility. I like spending time with my family. I spend time with my family whenever I can. Sometimes we talk on the phone Sometimes we visit each other. Many families enjoy eating together. Others enjoy watching movies together. Some families play games together. Many people feel happy when they spend time with their family. Family can be a big source of support and encouragement. Even a short conversation with a family member can make someone's day better. Many people have pets at home. Some of them have dogs, others have cats, others have other kind of pets like rabbits, birds, turtles. These people usually feed their pets every day. For example, some cats eat twice a day, others eat more often. Having a pet can be a big responsibility, but for many people, it is a wonderful experience. Sometimes I take a nap. I usually take a nap when I feel tired. A nap is a short sleep during the day. Some people like taking a nap after lunch, and others never take naps. A lot of people usually feel more energetic after a short nap. However, if the nap is too long, some people usually wake up feeling sleepy. I think that taking a nap is a good way to recharge your energy. After a busy day at work, people usually get home and relax. Many people usually get home and immediately change their clothes. Others get home and prepare dinner. Some people usually get home and watch TV, and others get home and spend time with their families. Sometimes I stay up late. I usually stay up late when I am working on an important project. Some people stay up late watching movies. Others stay up late studying. Many people stay up late scrolling through social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Many people try not to stay up late during the week. What about you? Do you usually stay up late or you prefer going to bed early? I usually go to bed early. Some people go to bed after midnight. These are some common actions that a lot of people do in their daily lives. Maybe some of these examples are part of your routine. Thank you for listening and for practicing English with me today. I hope this video helps you improve your vocabulary, your listening, and also helps you feel more confident with English. Bye bye.